everyone. In this video, we'll see how you can create a list in your HubSpot account. So first of all, you need to see if you have the right permissions for lists option enabled on your HubSpot account. If it is enabled, then you can create lists. If it is not, then you should enable that first. So after that's enabled in your HubSpot account, you need to navigate to CRM. You'll see that on your screen when you open your HubSpot account. And from there, you need to click on the lists option. In the upper right, you'll see an option to create a list. And then you'll see in the left panel, you'll see a couple of options. From there, you need to select contact based if you need to create a list of contacts, company based to create a list of companies, or deal based to create a list of deals. So these are different types of lists that you can create using HubSpot account. You can create the one that caters to you best. Then in the right panel, you can enter the list details. So in the list details, it includes the list name, the description, what kind of list are you creating. So you can either create an active list or a static list. Now you should already know what kind of list you're wanting, so you'll have the appropriate option. And after that, you can also add the custom properties in your list. After that, when you're done with this, you'll see the option of next in your upper right corner to check the options that you've selected before. Then in the left panel, you will set the criteria for the contacts or companies you want to segment. From there, you learn the list criteria available to you and how they work if you don't know that already. And you should also remember that you can select up to 250 filters per list. How you can do that is that you'll select add filter from there. From there, you'll scroll, or you can also type. Then you can select a filter category. Within that category, you just need to scroll, or you can type again. Then you need to select the property or activity to filter by. From there, you need to select an option for the property or activity. Then you need to set your criteria based on the field type. Now here you can either drop down select or checkbox. What you can do is you can simply click the drop down menu and you can select the checkboxes to the left of the values. Or if you want to do text, then you need to click the add options field and type to enter a text value. And if you're adding multiple options, you need to basically separate each value with a semicolon so it counts as separate values and not one. You can also add numerical. You need to click the add values field and you need to type to enter a number value. And same as text, you need to separate each value as a semicolon so it can identify it as different values. And if you want to do a date picker, then you can see the calendar field option, then in a calendar, and then you'll select the date.